Hi everyone, my name is Shatali Bacha and I'm a BIMS major at Texas A&M University. I'm also a Cengage Student Ambassador and I'm going to quickly show you a new feature in MindTap, Personal Study Plan. First, if you aren't familiar, MindTap is an online learning platform that includes access to your e-textbook, study tools, assignments, and more. Today, I'm going to walk you through a feature within select MindTap products that allows you to know exactly where to focus your study time by showing you the sections and chapters where you're struggling the most in your course. The Personal Study Plan in your MindTap course is located in the Progress app and can be accessed using the Performance by Section Topic widget at the top right-hand side. This displays the number of section topics broken down by score that you've completed within your course so far. To dive deeper, click on the Address Improvement Areas button, and this brings you into your personal study plan. The report you're looking at helps you identify the chapters and sections you can improve your performance in by providing a graded score, which is comprised of all the homework activities, quizzes, and exams you've completed for that specific chapter and section. You can use the filter button at the top to view your performance for specific chapters and sections based on time frame, grades, key sections, and chapters you've worked through so far. Once you've filtered the way you would like, you can easily identify the section you need to focus your study time on by looking at the graded score column and seeing if your grade is below a certain threshold. For these sections you've identified where your performance can be improved, you can click on the Study button to be brought to a screen where you can complete practice activities by clicking the Read Take Questions button next to the available graded activities you've already completed. You can click Retake Questions here. Yes, Start New Retake, and it'll take you through the questions. When you complete a practice activity, your grade will populate in the practice score column for that section. It's important to know, though, that this grade will not factor into your course's overall grade. If you decide you need help from your instructor, you can click the Contact Instructor button at the bottom of the page to send your instructor an email requesting extra support on the topic areas where you are struggling the most. And you could just click it and personalize it the way you want, and go ahead and click Send. That's it, folks. A quick and easy way in MindTap to identify where you should focus your study time. Don't forget, if you need help or have any issues, you can reach out to Cengage Support 24/7. You can reach them through the support.cengage.com by chat or by phone. Thanks for watching this short video, and I hope you have a great rest of your semester. Bye, guys.